An interface is like a parent class with no implementation for its members. Instead, the child class has to provide that implementation. An interface is defined the same way as a class, except we use the interface keyword. Inside the code block, we'll define a method with one parameter and a return type, but not a body. It's up to the class that uses this interface to implement the body. So, let's make a class called Sparrow, and we'll say that it implements, not extends, flyable. And if we hover over the error, we'll see that property fly is missing. So we'll do fly, speed, and to keep things simple, we'll just do a console log in the body. Now we can instantiate an object of the class and invoke the method. And if we take a look at the console, the text shows as we expect. We can also implement multiple interfaces by separating them with a comma. As an example, let's duplicate flyable down, change it to hoppable, and the method to hop. We'll add it to the Sparrow's implementation list and duplicate the fly method to change it. Finally, we'll invoke it at the bottom. And if we save, we'll see the text in the console. Now let's say we add a name property to flyable. We'll need to initialize it with a value in the class, or use a parameter property in the constructor. Then we'll change the console logs to use the name, and add one where we instantiate the object. If we save and take a look at the console, we'll see that Zippy flies and hops, so everything works like it should. The final point to note is that interfaces can extend other interfaces. So we can do something like hoppable extends flyable. Then down here in the class, we can implement only hoppable, and everything will still work fine.